Welcome to GeoFli. GeoFli allows admission counselors, college marketing professionals, and just about anybody to change and replace website content based on their visitor's location. So using Clark as an example, what we're going to do is select that page that asks the question, why Clark? And we're going to personalize it. Our next step is to select a region, or what website visitors do we want to target. For example, you can select a 50-mile radius of Chicago. But in this example, we're going to actually choose North Carolina. And what we're telling GeoFli is anybody visiting from North Carolina, what do we want them to see when they visit this page on Clark's website? And this is the fun part. You'll notice that as soon as this blue indicator appears, it starts to highlight different parts of the website. And it's just about as easy as it looks. What you can do is actually pick any piece of this site that you want to click on and change. So it can be text, it can be headers, it can be images. In this example, let's click on that image. And then we're going to input a picture right from our dashboard. And using some alt text for ADA purposes, we're going to label that. Now, when anybody visits from North Carolina, this is what they're going to see. Why Clark? Well, let us explain in person. Coffee is on us. And they can actually click to meet with Sean, who we found is the admissions counselor for that territory. And let's keep going. So let's click on, let's select this title. And we're going to tell a story or a testimonial of a student that grew up in North Carolina but now attends Clark, and what are their experiences like. From Charlotte to Clark, one student's journey. And we can go on to change that paragraph, really change as many things as you'd like. This is an example from the University of Montana, and what's great is you can create as many regions as you'd like. So you can target North Carolina. In this example, they're targeting Seattle, and actually bringing content that already exists on the website to the forefront. So there was internship information, but geographically specific. Western Undergraduate Exchange is a really targeted scholarship that's only available to Western states, so it wouldn't make sense for anybody from the East Coast to see that information. It's really relevant for students from those states. Again, students from Oregon, they can click on the link and see right on the admissions homepage that relevant information. Now we recognize that not all regions fit nicely into a radius or a state boundary, and what you can actually do is create a custom draw. So in that example, that was the Blackfeet Native American Indian Reservation. And the reason they do that is because, hey, there's an American Indian tuition waiver, but we know that students from that area are underutilizing that resource, and so we want to put that right on the admissions homepage. If you're starting to wonder, well, geez, you could use this for international targeting, you're absolutely right. Here we're highlighting Brazil. It could be any country in the world. And now when someone visits the International Student Admissions homepage, they're going to get introduced to all the students from Brazil that now attend the University of Montana and just love it there. And so Clark could adopt a similar strategy. Feel free to check out our website. Lots of great videos there, kind of how-tos, both from digital marketing side and GeoFli. And we look forward to talking with you really soon.